it's Pete Snakebite Kid. Thanks for coming by and checking out my YouTube channel again. Hey, we're going to talk about going on my first run, drive, ride, whatever these things are called. There's a bunch of people up here in Utah. It's called the Utah Cobra Club or Utah Cobra Friends. It's not really an official club. There's no dues, no membership, but just a bunch of hardworking people that have some nice looking cars. A couple of them work real hard on organizing these trips, so I appreciate them doing that. They invited me, which was really nice. So I got my car. It's kind of done-ish. You know, I'm missing a couple pieces of carpet still, missing an engine oil cooler, but man, it's drivable. Put about 150 miles on it, and well, let's take a look, see what you think. So I've got the car all cleaned up, ready to go. I've got most of the carpet in. I'll show that to you at another time. I woke up middle of the night last night to lightning and thunder and rain, and so it's kind of looming in the distance, but let's see how the day goes weather-wise. It's a really nice route that they had laid out. It started at Sugar House Park, just south of Salt Lake City, and then took all the back roads. We headed up towards Park City and then turned up a canyon and another canyon, and I just followed everybody. Just beautiful country. Went through a lot of farmland, farmhouses, lakes, and just really had a great time driving around in the twisties, and ended up at Eats of Eden restaurant. We had cloud cover all the way up there, which made it nice, and there's a lot of shady canyons on the way home. It was hot and sunny. So here we are at our destination, the halfway mark. It's Eats of Eden. Great restaurant up there if you're ever up in Eden, Utah. It's a beautiful lake and a great restaurant. I think there's 12 or 13 Cobras altogether, mostly big block looking cars. There's a couple small block cars and a couple of foreign cars, guys that used to have Cobras. They moved to something a little more civilized, but hey, they still want to come with the group and hang out. If you live in Utah or the Salt Lake area, or if you're going to be in the area and you want to be involved in one of these, hey, you know how to get a hold of me. Feel free to. I'll get your name along to the mailing list on this, and you know, the more the merrier. We'd love to have you join in. I thought I'd walk across the back here, give you a view of the other side of the cars. A few of these were factory 5s. I think one of them was a Unique. Mine, of course, is a Hurricane. That red one next to me, I think, is a Chevy Chevette. I'm not sure. A couple guys have these half tops, which is a pretty good idea for people like me that could stand to be out of the sun. A nice Super Performance with a split tonneau cover on it. There's a Unique. And a bunch of good looking Cobras. So the Cobra's taking a well-earned rest. The skies held out today. In fact, we had cloud cover for just about half of it, which was kind of nice. And I think it was about a 180-mile round trip. Ran perfectly. Did have, when we got up the freeway, a little bit of what I think it was a sniper thing. It was pretty stumbly. Let it cool off. Started back up, ran the bestest ran all day. But anyway,